Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the TiviMate error code 400. As per our research, this error comes when users try to watch movies or TV shows using the IPTV service on the TiviMate app. Some users have also reported the error while trying to resume a paused stream or using the catch-up feature on live streams. According to our research, this error seems to occur due to playback glitches, network issues, or conflicts with the latest app update, or in some cases it may be specific to a provider. The first thing you can try is to play any other stream for around 5 minutes, then go back to the original content and see if this helps. If that doesn't help, try using an external player like VLC. Many users shared that using VLC or another external player works fine without the error, so try this and see if this helps. If the error still comes, then try power cycling your device along with the network. Simply shut down your device and router, then wait for a few minutes, and then restart both. Then check for the error. If the error still comes, try switching to a different network. It can be any alternate Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot connection, and see if this helps with the issue. If the error still comes, then you can also try using a VPN. There were users who shared that enabling a VPN helped them get rid of the error. So also give this a try and see if this works. If the error still comes and the error started after a recent app update, then try rolling back to the previous version of the app and see if the error still continues. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.